virtual intern this summer at Camp Aransas Zoo. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's The Good Times Never End activity session. Remember that before you watch this video or engage in any of the activities that I'm about to show you, it is super important that you get a parent or guardian's permission. It is very important to us at Camp Aransas Zoo that you do so, so if you haven't, hit pause and don't resume until a parent or guardian has given you the okay. Alright, now that we have the permission we need, let's get started. Our goal for this activity is to enhance gross and fine motor skills and have fun through completing this paper plane game. For this activity, you will need paper, cardboard or large paper, scissors, markers or crowns for decorating your plane, and it is also optional, but you can use string as well to hang your target. To make a basic paper airplane, you will start by folding your piece of paper in half. Then you will unfold it and fold the top two corners into the center line. Then fold the paper in half again. Lastly, you will fold the edges down to meet the bottom of the body. Then you can decorate your paper airplane however you wish. I began this paper airplane by decorating my piece of paper before I started folding. You want to begin by folding your piece of paper in half. Next, unfold the paper and then fold the corners into the center line. Then fold the top edges to the center. Next, you want to fold the plane in half, then fold the wings down to meet the bottom edge of the plane's body. To make this next airplane, you will begin by folding your piece of paper in half. Then you want to unfold your paper and fold the top two corners to the center line. Next, fold the top peak down to create a square. Fold the top two corners to the center about an inch above the downward facing point to form a triangle shape on top and a diamond shape on bottom. Then fold the downward facing point up to secure the flaps. Next, you'll want to fold the plane in half away from you and flatten it out. Then fold the edges down to create wide wings. Then you can decorate your paper airplane however you want. Next, with the help of an adult, use scissors or a box cutter to cut different sized holes into your cardboard or paper. Then label each hole with different point values. The smallest hole should be the highest point value, and the largest should be the lowest. Make sure your paper airplanes can fit through each hole. Next, I use string to hang up my target. You can also set it against something or whatever way you find that works best. Now you can fly your airplanes through the target and try and get the most points. You can play on your own or compete with others. You can stand as close or far as you wish. Thanks again for tuning in. Camp Aransas Zoo misses you so much and hopes you're having the best summer. Don't forget to post a picture or a video of the activity we did today and tag us, and reach out and let us know what goals you met. Also, be sure to check out our virtual activities page on our website to stay up to date with all of our latest virtual activity lessons.